If you are currently stuck on figuring out the niche that you want to build your very own affiliate marketing business, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about affiliate marketing, which essentially you simply make a hefty commission for every single sale that you refer to your affiliate partner. But one major question that always gets asked is, Fred, which niche is the best to start as a beginner and that has potential to actually grow to 6 to even 7 figures and beyond? And if you want to learn exactly what these niches are that I highly recommend you, then make sure that you watch this video to the very end. But before we actually get into this, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So that being said, again, most beginners get stuck on choosing the niche when they are starting out their affiliate marketing business. As a matter of fact, I've witnessed firsthand that many people chose the wrong niche when they start out, which leads them into failing on building their very own affiliate marketing business. Now, in this video, I'm going to share the top 5 most profitable niches that you can actually build your very own affiliate marketing business. And I'm going to explain exactly what they are and why I recommend these 5 for beginners. So with that being said, let's dive right in. Niche number 1 is essentially weight loss. However, not the typical weight loss on how to lose weight fast or how to burn belly fats. Listen, anytime that when you start an affiliate marketing business and you're thinking about using weight loss as a niche, it is a good niche to go after, but there are 2 things that you need to be of concern. Number 1 is the fact that the competition is absolutely horrendous. People spend billions of dollars each year when it comes to the weight loss niche. So at the end of the day, there's going to be more competition, and when there's more competition, it's going to actually cost you more money to acquire customers in the weight loss niche. Now, number 2 is compliance. After all, there are a ton of affiliate offers out there that promise people to lose weight at a very rapid speed and even tell people that you simply do this and you get to lose 10 pounds in a single week. These are all considered claims. And having these claims will lead to your ad account being suspended because it is not realistic, and most importantly, it is actually against the policy of both Facebook and Google. But you may be wondering, well, Fred, you just said weight loss is a good niche to go after, but now you're telling me that there are 2 major concerns. How do we go about when it comes to promoting weight loss affiliate offers? Well, the answer is very simple. All you need to do is to create what we call cookbooks. There are a ton of affiliate offers out there that simply sell cookbooks. And these are diet cookbooks that don't necessarily need to say that you can actually lose X amount of weight in X amount of days. So that way, you are not going to actually fall down the trap of getting your ad account shut down. And because you are selling a specific cookbook, let's say a keto cookbook, people know for a fact that when it comes to keto, it is actually associated with weight loss. So your goal when it comes to weight loss is to essentially use an indirect format of selling so that when people actually download it or have actually checked out a keto cookbook, at that point, you can then obviously advertise different weight loss items to them so that you can actually earn your affiliate commission. But as I said, when it comes to choosing the niche, you gotta live within the niche. Because if you have no clue about anything about weight loss and you're just jumping onto it because it is a billion-dollar market, then you are probably going to fail. Because if you are unsure and don't know about the niche well enough for you to even advertise and to capture customer, it's going to be very, very hard. Now, niche number 2 is essentially health conditions. Now, here's the thing. A lot of people want to actually build a health affiliate business. And with health, we all know, again, it's a billion-dollar market. However, just like the weight loss niche, oftentimes if you choose the health niche, you will get into some serious compliance issue, which eventually going to lead your ad account being shut down. But however, if you go after a specific condition, for example, blood pressure, it is a condition, it's not a health problem. So with that being said, you can actually create maybe a lead magnet to share with people simply 7 foods that reduce blood pressure. When people download that book about the 7 foods to reduce blood pressure, guess what? Once they're in your email list, you can actually start promoting blood pressure offers that you are affiliated of. Now, the beauty about the health niche is that oftentimes people are looking into buying multiple health-related products. Even though when you capture the audience with blood pressure, but they may be looking at weight loss or they may be looking at fitness offers, so that it allows you to really diversify your portfolio to sell multiple affiliate offers. But remember, you gotta simply have something or to promote something that is a health condition and not a health disease, which is a huge, 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 huge difference. Now, niche number 3 is simply called self-development. Now, a lot of people want to actually go crack the self-development niche because, again, it is one of the fastest growing sector nowadays. However, you got to understand that self-development or self-improvement actually falls down into multiple categories. And you gotta really hone in on exactly what type of self-development you want to go after. For example, you can actually go after people that are really into mindset, but having the niche of a mindset is gonna be different than those that are into spirituality. So if you're choosing this health development, you gotta really look at the underlying layer, which is below the self-help and personal development, what is the specific category that you want to go after? And you can't just say, I'm gonna actually have a self-help affiliate website or affiliate business, because that is not being specific on what you're going after. And once again, with self-development, there's basically the mindset, there is spirituality, there is astrology, there's numerology, you name it. But at the end of the day, you gotta really choose one of the segment when it comes to self-help. And that is absolutely super critical when it comes to self-development. Now, further to that, in order for you to really get self-development to work, you need to be the face of the brand and to actually create content that will really allow people to actually see an improvement in themselves. Because when it comes to self-development, it's really always tied to a person. And the more content that you're able to create in that specific self-help development segment, the easier it is for you to actually promote affiliate offers. Now, niche number 4 is the business opportunities. Business opportunities is always massive. People always want to actually learn how to make money, or people want to actually learn how to build a side hustle income. But once again, the only issue is the fact that the claims is obviously huge. Facebook and Google do not like it when you say do this and you earn X amount of dollars. Now, yes, the business development or the business opportunity niche is very massive, but what you needed to do is to be very specific about the products and also what the user is going to get. For example, if you can actually create something like learn how I make $500 a day running a local social media company, that is going to be fun. And you simply just showcase how you do it, and you're not promising that whoever the audience is that is wanting to buy your product or to actually opt in into your offer, you're not promising that they can do it. Where when you say, I did it, I'm sharing how I did it, and they join your email list, then at the end of the day, you can actually promote different affiliate offers to them and actually allow them to look at other business opportunities where you earn an affiliate commission by simply promoting that end of things. Now, niche number 5 is dating. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about you promoting online dating softwares or online dating platforms. That is against the policy of both Facebook and Google. However, when it comes to dating, you want to be more specific into romance. For example, how to get your ex back. Probably a really good one that I saw actually is how to pick up men or how to pick up women. Those work phenomenally well because you are being very, very, very specific. Or how to better your relationship with your loved ones. Those are being very specific. But if you are going after specifically dating and getting people on a dating website as an affiliate, that is absolutely not allowed. So again, with dating, you want to look at romance, get your ex back, and all those other variations, and those can do phenomenally well. But at the end of the day, you might be hearing, well, Fred, you're basically sharing that these 5 are the most profitable niche, but it seems like it is very hard for a beginner to get started because of all these compliancy issues. Well, this is why I always encourage people when they're starting out to build their affiliate business is to create an email database first. Because all you're doing is that you are building up an email database and you're giving away a lead magnet that the person can actually get some tangible result out of the niche that you choose. Then afterwards, in your email, you can promote anything that you want and you won't get into trouble. Let me take another step back as an example. Let's say that you wanted to actually start with the weight loss niche, which everyone wants to actually start. However, instead of just promoting a regular weight loss offer, you create a cookbook. Once again, I'm going to use keto diet as an example. You can actually have a 101 keto recipes for delicious tasting and better diet. Something like that, just making it up. Now with that, you're not going to need to worry about the compliance issue because you are not giving a specific outcome result. You're just essentially saying, hey, get my keto recipe book, and people will obviously know that keto diet is for weight loss. So by doing so, you're essentially just using the cookbook in exchange for an email address. Once you got an email address, you can then promote different weight loss offer directly through emails and make all the claims that you want. For example, you can actually say, get this keto dessert recipe and learn how you lose 10 pounds in 7 days. That is going to be okay because once again, you're doing it through email. And with that, having the email database will also allow you to promote different kinds of offer as well that is related to the weight loss. In fact, maybe you can actually promote some health offers as well. So this is why at the end of the day, I always highly recommend a beginner to start out affiliate marketing with emails. And if you are looking to learn exactly how to do this, listen, I'll leave some video links right down below in the video description for you to obviously check it out. But at the end of the day, my final advice to you is the fact that when it comes to affiliate marketing business, you need to be in the niche and understand the pain points of your potential customers. You gotta speak their language. And more importantly, you gotta basically understand exactly what these people want so that you can use it to your advantage and build your very own affiliate marketing business that is capable of generating commission. Don't rush into selecting a niche that you know nothing about because that will lead you into failing with your affiliate marketing business. Now, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.